After Part module, we should go to the Property module. First action, you should click to create material properties and define a name for it. We select General tab to define material with density, deep-war or user material. The last one is related to coding with Abaqus like UMAT. With Mechanical Elasticity tab, you can specify the properties such as elastic, hyperplastic, viscoelastic, and so on. The Poisson's ratio is determined in this section too. With plasticity option, you can enter the properties of plastic in this field. After entering the plastic section, you can enter properties in this area. The other options are related to different kinds of damages. Damping and expansion is for thermal expansion coefficient, and viscosity refers to viscosity force. In the Part module, when you determine dimensions in terms of meter, the unit of force would be in Newton, the unit of mass, kilogram, the unit of time is second, and the unit of stress is Pascal. The unit of energy is joules. If you determine dimensions in terms of millimeter, unit of mass would be in ton and tension in megapascal, energy in millijoule, and finally the density would be in ton per cubic millimeter. The Thermal tab refers to thermal properties like the heat transfer coefficient, specific heat, and latent heat. The Electrical magnetic window refers to options such as conductivity properties and piezoelectric. With Other tab, you can add acoustic and permeability properties. Material Manager option shows all material you created. With Create Section tool, you must create a section for your part. In 3D space, it is common to use homogeneous type in solid category. If you select it for 2D shape, you must tick Plane Stress and assign a thickness for it. The next type is Generalized Plane Strain. This item only used in 2D space. Here you can select material for it if you created before. Otherwise, you choose Create Material with this button. Then select Thickness at the reference point and Wedge Angle about global 2 main axes. The next type refers to Solid Eulerian, just for parts modeled Eulerian. Composite type is set of layers only in 3D space. For each layer, you can choose material, thickness, fibers angle, and its name. For shell category in Create section, if you select homogeneous, you should define the following items: core thickness, material, and with clicking on option, it is possible to determine the characteristics of layers like defining rebars. Defining rebars like in composite materials or reinforced concrete. The next state is composite, that we can define all layers for this section including fibers and their angles. The next section is membrane, for these surfaces that don't have bending strength. For this section, similarly, you can specify thickness, Poisson's ratio, and if you select option, you can define reinforcing fibers. Next is surface-like membrane, with the difference that the thickness is 0 and completely 2D shape will be considered. The last type of section is general shell stiffness. I can specify the mechanical shell response with determining the stiffness matrix and the thermal expansion response. The next section is beam category, used for thin 2D, 3D bodies having bending axial strength. Truss tie for materials that do not have bending strength. If you select beam type, you should define name of this profile. I explain profile in other parts. I can specify stiffness and fluid situation. We have two choices to consider stiffness of the section during analysis and before analysis. The other category covers gasket type to simulate sealing pressure behavior, cohesive type for sticky models with limited thickness, acoustic infinite type used for audio intermediaries at low pressure for semi-acoustic models. Acoustic interface type is useful for audio intermediaries. The next section is a science section. For example, create a material with 210:9 as the Young's modulus and 0.3 for Poisson's ratio. Select OK and create homogeneous shell section with material 1 and 0.1 for the thickness. Select Assign section and allocate it for the body. As you see, after this action, the color of the shell has changed. The next section is Create Composite Layup to produce composite layers in 3 types. Conventional shell, continuum shell, and solid. This Assign Material Orientation tool is used for 3 purposes. 1. Assigning local axis to material for non-isotropic materials. 2. Assigning the direction of reinforcing material. 3. Assigning perpendicular vectors to the shells. Assign Beam Orientation is used for the section orientation of beam and wire. Create Profile. If you define a 2-dimensional element like wire, the cross-section must be considered for it, like box, pipe, and so on. If you select T-shape for the cross-section, you should enter the dimensions, which is obvious in the picture in these fields. Next profile is Generalized Shape. In these profiles, instead of importing dimensions, we directly import the area of the profile, moment of inertia for bending about 3 axes, and torsional constant. If the profile describes an open section beam, then enter sectoral moment and wrapping constant. Create a Skin can create a reinforcement layer on this mode. Create a Stringer is used to create reinforcements such as rebars inside concrete. The last point in Property module is Material Library. You can save common materials here and choose them directly from here, or you can add files here with LIB format. This is a small part of the Abaqus for Beginners training package. There is a lot more valuable information in other parts of this package that you can get on our website. We suggest you do your project by saving your time and getting basic in training so that you don't get tired of Abaqus errors.